Hello ma'am, I am Pavani. This is my Moodle site with my college name, and this is my course created for BSc students, and where uploaded videos about course using Screencast-O-Matic and created forums, quiz, assignment, folders, and need to create many activities for my students. And these are the participants. I'm just in initial stage in developing my course, and many activities need to create, and I hope this Moodle course helps to my students. And thanks Indira ma'am and Sushana ma'am, you made us to create Moodle site and activities for my learners. Thank you ma'am.